Okay, so y'all, in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, my cousin is here. She's gonna be rating my Fashion Nova jeans. All her info will be in.
It's gonna be at the bottom. You already know. Go to the bottom. I'm here.
But I ordered like 9 pair of jeans from Fashion Nova. And she's gonna be rating my jeans, y'all.
Booty.
So
yada 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 yada. That's what it's
hey. Before we get into this video, I'm gonna have to keep repeating myself in the comments. So I am 5 feet. Most of the jeans I have is like skinny, mid-rise, high-rise, size 3. All my jeans are size 3. Yeah, so 5 feet, 113 pounds. All my jeans are size 3. That's it. So now let's get into the video. Oh, and it's featuring Amari. Amari, say hi.
Hi. Y'all me.
He tired right now, y'all, but let's get into the video.
You saying hi to the people? Yeah? You saying hi? Say hi to people them.
These are the first jeans. These are called the Gray Matter Skinny Jeans.
Yes. I like these. Turn around. I like these. They fit good in the back. It's giving you curve in the front. And the gray, you know, gray makes it look really good. So, I'm going to give these an 8.5.
8.5, y'all. First pair of jeans got an 8.5.
8.5 because I like the color and the fact that it looks like it's stretched.
Nah, it's OD stretchy.
See, it looks like it's stretched, so it will fit your body like a curve shape. Yes, I like it. Good. Next, go, Amari. Go, Amari. Oh, go,
Okay. Actually, I definitely have jeans like this, y'all.
She definitely do.
And these are ankle jeans. I didn't read it. I don't really like ankle jeans because I don't like my ankles out. But these are the Chasing Waterfall ankle jeans.
I love the rips.
You like them?
I love the rips. All the design going on. Let me see. Turn around. Turn around 360. Amari, you don't like them?
You don't like my pants?
Oh, no, you don't like them. You don't like them. Is that bad? Okay. Let me see. Turn around.
I don't like these
Me
jeans.
either.
I don't like them.
It was, I like the rips.
The rips is what caught my eye.
The jeans don't go with the rips.
Nah.
If that makes sense.
Because it's ankle jeans.
Yeah, so.
Y'all, these are like real. Ooh, I keep falling over everything, y'all. These ankle jeans ain't. I'm not a fan. And I definitely have pants like this already with the same rips in the same area.
Sure do, but they fit a little tighter. Too, the other ones. They're like, this one looked like it's stretched too. But it's not like fitted stretch. It just looked like maybe like boyfriend jeans stretch.
Yes.
Exactly.
They'll fit. Yeah, you absolutely
That's
right.
how I see it. Like, I'm gonna give these a 5.
A 5?
Yeah.
Got it.
That was cause it's the jean.
Yeah, bro.
It's not the rip.
Yeah, these jeans are weird. Next jeans.
Come on now, you already know this next one about to be a 10. Off rip. And that's on your forehead. Boom.
Alright, hold on, wait.
Bada boom bop boom.
Alright, these jeans probably looked mad good on the on the mannequin. I'm gonna say the waitress. These jeans probably looked mad good on the mannequin, but these are the Sydney mid-rise slim straight. Y'all, I feel like these are mom jeans.
They sure are. Picking up my kid from soccer camp.
Yo!
Nah, it's not a bad color. It's the bottom.
It's the bottom, y'all.
The bottom.
Y'all, the bottoms are not it. It's like OD straight leg.
It's a good stretch. This company has good stretch. I like the jeans are stretchy, but some of it looks like, you know, like boyfriend mom jeans. But I don't like the bottom at all.
I hate the bottom.
But I like the color, so I'm gonna go give this like a 6. Try to fold the bottom.
Ashley.
All right, you know I just like to fold my bottom.
The thing with these jeans, they're too boxy. If that makes sense.
Thank you. That's why it gives me more mom and boyish.
They're
jeans.
mad boxy.
Yes, it's a box, but it still got curve in it in some type of way, but it's still something not right.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah.
I'm looking in the mirror. I don't like this.
Now, if you want to buy those, then
yeah, these are your type.
If you like bootleg, boot cut pants. Then this is for you.
Yeah, I don't like these. Alright.
Yes. We got 6 more, y'all. Stay tuned. Get some popcorn. Grab your glue for your lace fronts because it might slide off.
Yeah, I can't find the name of these jeans anywhere. I don't know where the tag is at, but I'm jacking these.
I like them. I like them.
It's been a minute since I had black jeans.
Wait a damn minute.
What?
Back like that.
What?
Back of the ankle pants. I like it though, but I didn't know it was like that.
The back look like somebody
ate the back.
the back like somebody ate the back of y'all, but left the front.
It's cute if you like. You can wear that with a heel too if you like heels and jeans.
Boo boo. I like these, y'all, but I don't know the name. I really don't know the name. I don't have this paper.
I like those. Number one, because they black. So automatically black, they get a 9.5. It would have been a 10, but like somebody ate the back off the ankle. But I like it. I like it. And it fits good. And it's not so boxy. And it looks like these jeans are very comfortable.
They are.
They look comfortable.
It's not too tight. It's not too loose. It's perfect. Yeah, I like these.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow, I finally got black jeans, y'all.
They're cute.
Wow, right?
Crazy. You like those? Da-da-da-da-da. Body yada 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 yada.
Actually, no, not in these jeans.
It's not giving it?
No, I don't know what yeah, I feel like, you see how a lot of people get tricked by the mannequin? I mean, that's not even a mannequin. You see how a lot of people get tricked by the pictures? I think I'm one of those people who keep getting tricked by the pictures. These jeans are retarded. I don't like them.
No.
But then again, these are not fashionable jeans. You know how they got jeans on their site that's not from them?
Yeah.
These are YMI jeans.
Oh.
I don't know who jeans they are. I don't know YMI. I never heard of them. But I don't like these jeans. These give me mom vibes too. The bottom look
They do. Those look kind of baggier, and the bottom look fringy, and it looks spacious, fringy.
Maybe
It's not sucked in tight. It's not fitted.
No.
It's not fitted.
I don't like these.
I don't like those.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get at a what's the lowest number? I'm playing. Now I'm playing. So
I think I like these, y'all. I think I like these.
I like them.
Right?
I like them. Put the pocket in. Yes. Put your pocket. I love them.
Alright, come. Okay.
You don't like them? Dang.
I like these jeans, y'all. These are.
I like those. They fit good. They fit good at the ankle.
These are the classic mid-rise skinny jeans. I'm jacking these, bro.
I like those. Like it gives like denim matte.
Yes, and I like how it scrunches up
at the bottom. Yes. Yes. Girl.
I like these jeans.
Yes. Turn around. Let them see. Let the people know.
Tell them stop playing with me.
Cause you was not one of them. Period.
Not one of them.
No, I do. I like those. They look real comfy. I like the color of it. I feel like you can just put it with anything.
Bro, you could.
Yeah. I like
and
those.
they're mad soft, bro. Feel them.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to give those a 10.
I got a 10!
I'm going to give them a 10, girl.
I got a 10!
Them jeans right there, a 10. Hey, a 10. Hey, a 10.
Ah, don't stop playing with me.
No, I like those.
I should have ended up the video with these.
In and out? Oh.
I
But you wouldn't have known, though.
No.
You wouldn't have known.
These are so nice.
I like those.
I look in the big mirror. I like these.
Yes,
jeans.
I love them. I do. I love those.
Oh my god. If they have other colors, like
this, they
different
fit like
washes.
that.
Actually.
You make. What is it? I'm gonna look for why I'm wearing this.
It's classic.
I'll put it in right in Google. Why I'm wearing this.
Nah, I gotta get the different
I
colors
like
in
those.
these.
I
Oh
felt
my
those
god.
yes, I'm gonna get like 2-3 of those just in case.
Bro, no, for real.
No, for real though.
Alright, so these are the Can't Let Me Go skinny jeans, period. They can't let me go, but go ahead.
I like those. I like those.
I like them too. These are real Fashion Nova jeans. These are the last ones are real Fashion Nova jeans.
Yeah, and I like the pocket in the back.
I didn't like the pocket.
Yeah, it's like cut.
Oh.
Yeah, I like that. I noticed that. I like that.
I'm like jacking these jeans.
They fit good. By the waist, it's giving her curves and shit. I'm gonna give that a 10 too. I'm gonna give that a 10.
2 10s, baby. Stop. Double up.
Okay. All right. Every time you keep seeing how you want.
You act like you hurt. Why are you fake crying right now? You fake crying.
What you wanna do? Yeah.
These are the Dream Girl high-rise jeans, and I don't like how this front is right here, y'all. The jeans are fit weird, like they're mad tight.
Oh no.
But the front right here.
The front is too long.
Yeah, I don't like that. It's like you gotta be up like this. But I don't like high-rise jeans like that. I took a chance with these jeans, and they just showed me why I don't like high-rise jeans, bro. I don't like that.
Oh no.
I can't.
It's not. Yeah, those no.
I don't like these.
Damn, Gina.
I don't like these. I don't like these.
Yeah, I don't like them.
Look how Amari looking at them. He like,
what
is
what
that?
is those pants? I might have to give it a. I'll give it a 7.
Why?
7.5.
Why?
I'll give it a 7.5 because I don't like the long part in the front. That part,
But it's good overall, like.
that part, I feel like when you sit down, it's gonna.
It is long.
See, you see, and I feel like you're gonna have to keep pulling your pants up.
Yeah, I don't like that
all day because
part.
if not, it's gonna give you that long looking part.
Yeah, I don't like that.
It's a 7 though. I like the jean though.
These are the Emma Super Stretch, almost fell, high-rise jeans. You like them?
I like them.
I feel like I could have got it in a 1, but then again, it would have been too tight on my stomach.
Yeah, I like them.
But it's room to stretch, like.
I like them. Those look like some comfy, stretchy,
They
curvy
feel
pants.
like the last pants.
Yeah, they do. They look like it.
I thought it was, but it's not.
They look like it. I like it. Let me see, turn it on. Oh, those are OD high waist.
It is.
They got the extra double high waist.
Yeah.
I like them though. It gives you more of a curve too.
I have to look at it in this mirror. This mirror making me look dumb.
I like it.
Yeah, these are OG highway. I gotta lose my stomach so it can be in like.
Yeah, I like the way it it's like fitted.
Yeah.
Fitted but baggy, looking cute. I'm gonna give it a 10, y'all. The last one was a 10. You already know it was gonna be a 10. A 10, 10, 10. Period.
I came over here. Let me help. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below which jeans was your favorite jeans. Rate them also. All her info will be down below. Like I said, these are all Fashion Nova jeans, all a size 3. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
See you later. Say bye-bye.